Cryptoslo with more crypto gains. NFT gains, that is. What's going on, guys? So, something I have not talked about a lot on my channel, and that is NFTs. First and foremost, what is an NFT? It is a non-fungible token. That means it is unique. It is basically a digital representation of something unique, and it's stored on the blockchain. Typically Ethereum. Obviously NFTs are on a lot of other chains. Some things like PancakeSwap and some others have some NFTs for trading and stuff like that. But basically it can be a picture, a digital file, proof of ownership of something. But in essence, it is a unique thing which you could kind of copy it, but the essence is that specific one is the only version of it. So if you know about CryptoPunks, that was one of the very popular ones that sold out instantly, and as you can see, the lowest price punk is $39,000, with some of them going for insane amounts. I saw one on Twitter today where it was 1.7 million. So I don't want to get too crazy into the technical side of it. So, and then if you're on Twitter, you can see people like I myself have a profile picture of an NFT. And you know, a lot of the Twitter people will have NFTs as their profile pic. So the question is, how do you get started with it? You know, you see, oh, this one sold out, this one sold out, this sold for $20 million. First and foremost, let me talk about the risk of NFTs. The main risk is that you just bought a JPEG that could be worth nothing. You know, and a lot of these things trade on an exchange called OpenSea. If you go there, see NFTs, buy NFTs collectibles. So OpenSea, it's basically a marketplace like an eBay for NFTs, and you'll see a lot of stuff traded and sold on there. So the next question you have is, how can I cash in? Well, the first problem with NFTs is you don't know if what you have is valuable. It's rare. Number two is you keep missing out on all these new projects. So one of the main sites that people use is called rarity.tools. I'll leave a link down below. What is Rarity? Rarity is like a aggregator of NFTs, and basically it catalogs and gives you information about NFTs, how rare they are, and new projects that are coming up. Now, I haven't found any telegrams yet that are like NFT chaser type telegrams, but if you go over here on Rarity, it is pretty dope. It shows you where all the volume is. It shows you average price. So like if I wanted a CryptoPunk right now, it's popped up. It's the average price is about 26 ETH, so $50,000. Bored Ape Yacht Club. So basically, it just shows you the number of owners, and then you also have an all collection. You can look up stuff like, let's see if Harmony Punks is on here. No. So this Rarity, I'm not sure. It looks like, yeah, it looks like it's ETH, but I'm not sure if you can switch to other chains, but it looks like it's primarily focused on ETH. So that is that. So the question is, how do you get started? What if you wanted to mint some? So when a project comes out, they'll say there's X number of NFTs in the project. A lot of these have been doing 1,000, 5,000, 10,000. Like Dogepound is out as 10,000. So basically, you go, you connect your Metamask, and then you mint, and then it basically supposedly randomly generates traits or characteristics which makes it rare or not rare. Think like Pokemon cards or something like that, and then your NFT pops out and you can buy and sell. So let's click on upcoming projects. So this is a great little tool, shows you how you can see the projects that are coming up. So like here's an example, Galactic Secret Society said it launched on the 19th. And then if you go to the website, it's basically going to tell you, look, boom, it's sold out already. But now you can buy on the secondary market. So obviously, typically there's markup. And then some of these, it's really cool. You can use the actual NFT in games and stuff like that. So that's pretty dope. DigiRocks, okay, 0.5 to 0.6, launched on the 19th. So let's go to DigiRocks. All right, DigiRocks, 668 of 4,000. So this project says there's 4,000 digital rocks. You can get a rare one, blah, 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 blah. So the current price, these increase in price as they mint more of them. So right now it's 0.03, which is about $60 with the current ETH price. So couple things. Number one, security. If you have a master wallet, like your main cold storage wallet, I don't really recommend minting on that wallet. You may want to connect a second ledger or Trezor device to hold your NFTs, because if you're just clicking on a bunch of these projects, you don't know, there could be malicious contracts and stuff. So you want to verify and be careful. You don't want to give unlimited spends or something to some project and then you find out that, it was a bad project. So like you're clicking on these. So what is my strategy for earnings? Well, first and foremost, realize that this is kind of like gambling per se, because when you mint or create your NFT, if they're still available to mint, your traits are random or supposedly randomized. So that means that you may get something rare or you may not get something rare. Okay. Now, in the case of CryptoPunks, even the cheapest one is $50,000. So, it's crazy. So my strategy is I'll probably just mint a couple, and then I will just sit on them. that's what, yeah, and check back and see if it's trending on rarity. So yeah, so these digital rocks are about $60 a piece plus ETH fees. 493 available, 113. Yeah. All right, my wallet's connected. I got a little ETH loaded up. And I'm going to purchase and mint some NFTs. Damn, these ETH fees suck balls. All right, I'll let that confirm. So adding an NFT to your Metamask is really easy. The first thing you want to do is have the official contract address. You copy that, you go to your Metamask, and technically NFTs are not supposed to be divisible. They are just one, they're wholes. So you go over to assets, and you hit add token, custom token, add your official NFT contract to your wallet. Then token decimal, you want to use 0. And then boom, add tokens. And I have 2 Digi Rocks in my wallet. Do a little research on it, because if you have the master contract, you can see how many unique addresses there are. One person could own multiple wallets, right? But you can see this project only has 144 holders. Okay. 670 DigiRocks. Trying to step you through it. Like I said, this is kind of my first time getting into this and understanding. Oh, I got owned rocks. So now my rocks show up here, and then I can click on them and I can see my rock. Sweet. It's pretty cool. And 669 too. It's a rock. So that is it. That is basically NFTs in a nutshell. And like I said, you can go on the upcoming tab and poke around. But my strategy, like I said, is probably just going to be to mint a few here and there, because you don't really know what's going to be popular and what's not. It's more kind of a roll of the dice. So hope you enjoyed today's NFT video, and as always, like, subscribe. This is Cryptoslo. If we're not talking gains, then we're not talking.